Hello everyone, this is Hitechtalk. So many of us have a questions like, do hashtag still work in 2023 in Instagram? So I will tell you the answer. Okay, so first of all, I will show you in my mobile screen about my account how it is working. Okay, so you will know that hashtag is currently working in Instagram or not, and how to use a hashtag and how many hashtag you should use in your Instagram post. So I will show you in my mobile screen. So this is my Instagram account. If you see, this is on the basis of long distance couple. So if I will go and search as LDR, that is long distance relationship, you will find mine post. Few more posts are there, but here you can see mine post is there. So if I will go and click on view insights, you can see the number of likes here. You can see this many people are from explore, from others, home, and from profile. So many people are worried like the hashtag is not coming here. So does your account is not, I mean the people are not able to reach your account via hashtag? Then the answer is no, because if you will go and check my caption, I have used LDR hashtag, and here in the LDR explore section my post is there, so the hashtag is working perfectly. That is okay, it's not showing in the insights, but the hashtag is working. So as you have seen in my mobile screen, the hashtag still work, okay, but the thing is you don't have to use n number of hashtags. You just have to take 5 to 6 key hashtag, and it's not like if you are checking your post insights, there should be a hashtag section. Like I have seen many cases like their hashtag is not there, but actually my post is reaching via hashtag. So algorithm doesn't work properly, but yeah, hashtag still works for most of the users, but you have to use it properly. Okay, so I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.